Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be testing the Makeup Revolution. Very rude. Shh. Sorry. We're gonna be testing the Makeup Revolution London foundation, face-based stick foundation, and I got the shade F10. It looks like this. It's really cute packaging, pink. Also testing the Conceal and Define Full Coverage Conceal and Contour. People have been comparing this to the Tarte Shape Tape. I got that in the shade C9 because it was one of the darkest shades available, so it's what I went with. And then Luxury Baking Powder in Banana. And I just want to see how it's gonna work on my skin type. I have oily skin, and I found it interesting that they had a baking powder. So let's see how this goes. I'm gonna be doing check-ins throughout the day just to show you guys how it's wearing, and yeah, we'll see if it's oily skin approved or not. So let's go. Okay, so I'm not gonna put any primer on or anything because with my Estee Lauder foundation I just put it straight on my face. All I have is moisturizer, and that's it. So let's see. I don't know if this is the right color for me, but we will find out. Where's my sponge? I'm going to be applying it with a sponge, I think. Yeah. I've never used a stick foundation, but I'm going to do it. Just draw a line down because I want to see how pigmented it is. I'm going to put it around where I have some troubles like acne and dark spots. You guys see that? It's pretty good to me. Wow, it's completely covered. That's crazy. What? My face is always paler than my neck, so I got one that's not the same exact shade as my face, but more my neck shade. For this side of my face, I'm gonna use a brush. Let's see. See all the pimples I have? So I think it did a really great job of covering up all of my acne, so I'm super happy about that. If you guys were wondering, this is how much product comes in the stick foundation. Let's move on to the concealer. It has the same really big doe foot applicator like the Tarte Shape Tape. Wow, that really brightened up my under eye. Holy cow. I'm gonna put a little bit more. I haven't dipped back in. It actually carries a lot of product on the applicator. I'm gonna flip it around, use the other side. Look how much was left. That's crazy. Not grabbing any more product. I'm gonna do a little avatar sign on my head. Wow, honestly, super impressed. Okay, wow, so nice. Now I'm gonna take the baking powder and I'm gonna bake my face like I usually do. I usually bake like everything because of how oily I am. I'm gonna put a headband on. Okay, it's a good look, I know. Make sure there's no creasing. Okay, so I'm gonna let this sit for a little while and then I'll be back. Okay, so now I'm gonna wipe off the bake. My face feels really smooth. I just don't know like the texture like around my nose. It looks a little bit dry. And I don't know, my skin's not really dry, so I can't imagine how it would look on dry skin. Maybe I should have moisturized more. I'm not sure. But okay, now I'm gonna put on the rest of my face makeup and just see how it performs. So I usually use the Coty Airspun powder, and I usually don't have problems with it getting dry around my nose. It's kind of strange to me, so we'll see if next time if I put more moisturizer it won't do that. I don't know, but yeah, it hasn't really happened to me before. Hi. So I've been wearing the foundation for about an hour. I was in the car, so there was obviously AC, and it's holding up pretty well, I think. I don't feel extremely oily yet, so I'll check back in an hour. Yeah. At 3 o'clock. This is my friend Rebecca. You can call her Rebby. Hello. Yo, it's 2:53 p.m. and it's hot as hell outside, so that kind of sucks. Oh god, it's still zoomed in. No. So this is what, okay, no. Alright, so this is what the foundation looks like right now. It's holding up pretty well, I think, because it's really hot outside. How much is it outside? I don't even know. It says 91.
91, but it feels like 100.
It feels like 101, so yeah.
Yes, girl.
So I think it looks pretty well. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I'm noticing that I like the side that I used a brush. The side that I used a beauty blender, I don't like it as much for some reason. I don't know. Around my nose area, it didn't apply as well with a sponge, but with a brush it did. So yeah. We're gonna get ice cream now. See you guys in another hour, I guess. Hi! Can you see me? Not cute. Hello? It's been 3 hours and a half.
3.5, yeah, 6:30.
3.5 hours, and I was sweating a lot, but this is how my skin looks right now. I think it's pretty good. The only thing that I don't like is that it's not transfer proof. Like when I touched my face, I saw the foundation. Like I saw the color on my hand and I was like, yeah.
That's and the oil though, probably.
Yeah, it's probably the oil because it was really, really hot. So
sweat.
I was sweating. It was actual sweat though. Like above my lip, my cheeks, my forehead, like everything was sweating. Whoa.
Yeah, I went to 94. Ooh, yeah. That's good. Good shot.
So I'm still pretty oily. I haven't really blotted. I took a tissue to take off my sweat, but I don't think it did anything. What else?
I don't know.
I think that's
it. Went up to like 94 degrees today, so that's a pretty good.
Yeah, I feel like I don't really look that gross. Hey!
Leave me alone.
Thank you guys so much for watching. let me know what other videos you want to see next week. And what else should they do?
Put heart emojis.
No!
What else should they do?
Like and subscribe!
Oh my god.
Duh!
Like and subscribe.